Arjun and Manish, everything seems so intuitively obvious. Why is it so difficult to implement? And I think the conference here today will hopefully take us closer to answering some of the challenges that both Manish and Arjun have thrown out. I'm delighted to welcome Ravi Venkatesan to deliver an inaugural address this morning. He doesn't need an introduction to many of you, but he is best known as the former chairman of Microsoft India and Cummins India, and is currently a member of the board of Infosys.
What he did not mention is that after leaving Microsoft 2 years ago, I've spent the bulk of my time researching and writing a book. The title of the book is called Conquering the Chaos. It will be out this June. And I hope some of what I say this morning will intrigue enough of you to go out and look at the bookshelves in June. I'm not going to talk much about the book, but it leads to what I do want to say. The book deals with multinationals in India, and I've taken a very provocative and counterintuitive stance. The government of India has done a pretty good job over the last 3 years scaring multinationals away. And most of them see the challenges of doing business in India, the complexity of doing business in India. They're looking at easier places. And I make an argument with data and evidence that in fact, precisely because India is so challenging, is why multinationals need to figure out how to succeed here. Because much of the world's emerging markets, think South Africa, South America, and large parts of Southeast Asia, they look more like India than they do China. They have all the same issues. Uncertainty of policies, corruption, bad infrastructure, talent issues. At least India has a big market which rewards you if you figure it out. So the subtitle of the book is Win in India, Win Everywhere. Now, as I was going around talking to lots of companies and doing this research, must have visited about 30, 35 companies, most multinational, but quite a few Indian ones. Almost invariably, the leaders I talk to talk about the talent challenge. Right? 3 favorite topics.